Inflation is the sustained increase in prices of goods and services over time. This is completely normal and expected in any economy. As we know, as prices go up, our purchasing power, which is the amount of goods and services we can afford to buy, goes down. If we think about this, in order to at least maintain our current purchasing power, our income needs to be rising at least at the same rate as inflation. If our income is not keeping up with the rate of inflation, we won't be able to afford as much. At the time of recording this course, the annual inflation rate in Canada was 2%, in the US 1.6%, and in the UK 1.8%. Annual inflation will differ from country to country. This, again, is where investing is absolutely critical. Oftentimes we keep our money in a regular savings or checking account, earning very low rates of return. However, if we make good investment decisions, we can increase our rate of return and outpace inflation. The income side of things, we may have one source of income, and depending on that source, we may not have an automatic mechanism for annual increases. This is where pushing for an annual increase or creating multiple streams of income is super important. We will discuss this more in the income generation section of this course. Wherever you are in this world, be mindful of inflation and continue to find ways to increase your assets and income at a higher rate.